G'day viewer, Big Kev here on the Triumph. This is Lake Yukonbean, about 8 kilometres away from home. Love fishing it for trout. The Pomdownunder has a challenge out, a sound off challenge, to record the sound of your bike either being in a tunnel or a flyby, and they'll put it on a playlist. Now everyone knows what my bike sounds like. I don't have any tunnels around here, and I know these old ladies, some old ladies know what my bike sounds like. Sorry. But last year I went for a meet up with Captain Cranky and Mr. Adventure and 2B1 on roadie, and we met up on the tunnel on near the old Pacific Highway, and we did a rev bomb in that tunnel. Now I reckon it's the best rev bomb in history. The sound will not do it justice. My ears were bleeding for about 2 hours afterwards. It was awesome. But I think I'll just re-upload that just to show you, and that'll be my entry into Pomdownunder's sound off challenge. And I will put a link in the description, and I will put the people up that participated that I remember, and if I forgot anyone I apologise, and if I put someone in that wasn't there, that's a bonus. Alright, catch you later.